Between the ages of 16 and 21, Frank Abagnale pulled off one of the most audacious con games in history. He impersonated an airline pilot, a doctor, a lawyer, and a professor, all while cashing $2.5 million in fake checks across 26 countries. Starting in 1963, Frank created fake Pan Am pilot credentials. He deadheaded on over 250 flights, staying in crew hotels for free. Next, he forged a Harvard Medical School diploma and worked as a pediatric supervisor at a Georgia hospital for nearly a year. Without any legal training, he passed the Louisiana bar exam on his third attempt and worked as a prosecutor's assistant. Frank studied everything with photographic precision: airline operations, medical terminology, legal procedures. FBI agent Carl Hanratty chased him across the globe for 5 years. Frank was finally caught in France in 1969 trying to cash fake checks. After serving time in 3 different countries, the FBI recruited him to catch other fraudsters. His incredible story inspired the movie Catch Me If You Can.